Beep beep. 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 Beep.
The morning effect captures the intriguing juxtaposition of tranquility, associated early morning, and the mystery of the night. This effect blends ambient textures, harmonic richness, and spatial nuances to create a unique and atmospheric audio experience. When applied, the morning night effect envelops your sound in a delicate balance of calmness and intrigue. It introduces when applied, the electric water effect enriches the audio with a sense of fluidity and energy, reminiscent of water coursing to the electric currents. It introduces a unique and lively texture to the sound, making it stand out with a dynamic and electrifying character. Whether applied to synths, guitars, or other elements, this effect is a creative choice for musicians and producers, aiming to inject a touch of aquatic inspired vibrancy and electric energy into their compositions, creating a landscape that sparkles and surges with vitality. When applied, the diamond major effect enriches the harmonic structure with a serene quality, brilliance, and grandeur, akin to the luminous qualities of a diamond. It introduces a unique and radiant texture to the chords, making them stand out with a majestic and elegant character. Whether applied to synths, vocals, or other harmonic elements, this effect is a captivating choice for musicians and producers, aiming to craft compositions that exude purity, brilliance, and a sense of timeless beauty, resonating with the clarity and vibrancy that captivates the listener's imagination.